Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
It's cold. Like cold. 35 below, wind chills. Blowing like crazy out there. And it's just too cold. You'll probably see the video I did taking the dog out and how you have to get geared up, but it takes me about 20 minutes to get ready to go outside. The dog does her business super quick, and then it takes 10 minutes when I come back in to get undressed, and I'm like, she won't go out without me. We're going to finish these. So finally, the first coat kind of dried. There's still a little back here that's sticky, and I'm like, wow, that's not good. But look, it's got the stone look. It's got that texture. I'm going to fill in these little gaps you can see here, and then hopefully it'll dry today. It's not going to dry. But here's the other one. She's got a few little gaps too, but better than just like before I put the pigment in, is better than that. So I'm going to put some coats of paint on it, but all I've been working on this morning is I've been doing these. I talked to my mother-in-law and the OG, and then while I was doing that, I was cutting. I made some with keys on them. I got little hearts on them. This is my favorite one with the 2 buttons on it. So more bowl fillers, just making some pillows. So I've been using hot glue for these, and there's glue all over me now. Hot glue because it's so cold. It doesn't have a chance to burn me today. This room is cold. I have Cuddle Duds on, which are long underwear. So it's a brand of long underwear. Highly recommend them because they're thin. They don't add a lot of bulk, but they're warm. So Cuddle Duds, and then my pants, and then I've got a long sleeve shirt and the sweatshirt with the scarf, 2 pairs of socks, and my slippers on. And it's still cold in here. We're all getting it. We're all getting it. I've watched the whole country just go, it's cold. So let's try and get these little buggers done. So we have something to take to Vintage Junkie on Monday. I've got the shelf brackets, and then hopefully these will be done because I have to go on Monday and clean out everything that's over 60 days old. Might as well drop off some new stuff while I'm there. You know what? I've got bins full of new stuff I could just pull out. But anyway, I'm going to do this. So let me get a coat of paint on this. I'll come back. Okay, so there's a second coat. And I'm out of paint. So it is going to be what it is on these quails. Thank you for telling me they're quails. I come up with it. Like, my brain was going, what are these? Pheasants? They're something. I don't know what they are. Here they are. So here's that second coat. And I am out of paint, so hopefully they turn out. But let's hope they dry. Oh, okay. Everybody ready for Christmas? When you watch this, you'll be a day away from Christmas. Yeah, it'll be Christmas Eve tomorrow when you see this. So happy Christmas Eve. Tomorrow there'll just be a Christmas message from me. If you guys want to watch it, that's fine. If not, you don't have to. But we're all going to take a day off, yeah? And enjoy our families and hopefully, take a break from the stress and the madness. And I know there are still going to be people that are having to go through some sadness and some heartbreak this year. And I hope that's not you. So if it is, I wish I could hug you because I know it's a difficult time to go through some things. So I wish I could give you guys a present. Just something to make you smile. But, you know, I know that's not feasible, especially right now. We're getting geared up for 2023, though. I've started to plan out my year and what I think I'm going to do going forward. So we'll be talking about that after the holidays here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's too cold to spend a lot of time even going out to my garage right now to get things to work on. I wanted to get some furniture in here and it's just not going to happen. So cold. It's so cold that like you touch the metal on the screen door and your hand burns immediately. So you need to wear tons and tons of clothing to go out there. And I can get geared up and go out there, but I also have baking to do for Christmas. I have some cooking to do, some projects that I want to work on with Victoria. So it's going to be a fairly short video today just because I got a lot of stuff I want to get done. If I can get back in here, if this dries at all today and I can wax these, then great. We'll come back in and do that. I like the texture. I do like the stone texture. Obviously that paint is just crap and I don't like that part of it. That's the part that was stressing me out yesterday. But I do like the whole stone texture, which I've never done this before. I've never done the whole baking soda texturizing thing in the past. So this was a good project to try it on. Wish I had used better paint, obviously. But I do like the texture that's coming through, that stone feel. I have not used white wax very often, so we'll see how that goes. That's the other thing that's stressing me out. I'm like, so then when I wax it on, is it going to get globby and stuck, or am I going to have... I'm thinking I should maybe water the wax down a little bit, thin it out just a bit. Because how do you wipe it off without like scraping off some of this texture? I don't know. Never done this before. I've never done it before. That's a lot of what we do here is just trying new things. And I want to do a lot more in the new year of trying new things so that you're not constantly watching me do the same thing over and over. And a lot of what I'm doing when I'm doing projects like furniture and things like that, you can't help but do repetitive tasks over and over again. But I'd like to do some new things, try some new products. I have some new products in the wings that I was like, I need to find the right piece of furniture for. I don't have the right piece of furniture for it. And I keep looking and they're not coming up. The right piece of furniture is not coming up. And I had asked my husband to take me to this specialty store that sells like estates and stuff like that. And I don't want to go by myself because I have a feeling I'll buy a dresser or something large and I'll need help because they don't load your stuff. And he doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to be part of bringing any more stuff in. He's getting a little pissy in his old age. I'm just going to be honest with you. He's going to be really pissy in his old age. There have been discussions about building a shop for me, which might make him less pissy. I'm looking into some funding opportunities. That's all I'm going to say about that. But hopefully, you know, this new year is going to be a year of growth for me. I'm not expecting like a wow year, because when I think I'm going to have a wow year, that's when things go to pot. I don't want that. I don't want another year of having expectations and then getting to the end of the year and going, well, everything fell apart fast. So I am working on some things that I won't talk about until I know more about it. You feel like you jinx things a little bit when you talk about it too soon. So I will let you know in due course what's going on. But, yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve. If you're not Christian and you don't celebrate Christmas, you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever I don't even care. That's what holidays means. It means holy days. So whatever your holy day is for this season, I wish you the very merriest of holidays. I hope you spend time with family and friends, and there's lots of laughing and lots of smiles and a lot of warmth. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy checking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.